Om. Om. Hari Om. Welcome you all to Arunagiri Yoga Vidyapeeth. So our first session will start today with having a little knowledge in the beginning and after few minutes of practice. We will do like that. We will see the root of yoga today. There are 6 darshanas in Bharat, in India. Nyaya Darshana, Vaisheshika Darshana, Yoga Darshana, Sankhya Darshana, Uttara Mimamsa and Purva Mimamsa. Gautama Maharshi's Nyaya Darshana and Kanada Maharshi's Vaisheshika Darshana, Patanjali Maharshi's Yoga Darshana, and Kapila Maharshi's Sankhya Darshana, Purva Mimamsa of Jaimini Maharshi, and Badarayana Maharshi's Uttara Mimamsa. These are all pairs of knowledge. These rishis never differentiate their knowledge. They reconcile only. And these knowledges, these shastras, these visions never contradict. They complement each other. So, any of the darshanas, a little study of any of these darshanas, any one of these darshanas will help us to go for the higher knowledge of Veda and Upanishads. These are all preliminary knowledges. So we will take Yoga Darshana, Patanjali Maharshi's Yoga Darshana. So Patanjali Maharshi's Grantha is like Yoga Sutra, Patanjala Yoga Sutra. Every day before our session starts, we will see little about Patanjala Yoga Sutra, Patanjali Maharshi's Yoga Sutra. Means threads, small definitions. The first Patanjali Maharshi's Sutra we will see in the first chapter is Adha Yoga Anushasanam. Simple meaning. Now we will see what is yoga. We will discuss about yoga. Here in these sessions, what I am giving is simple knowledges. Okay, just to understand what is the philosophical aspect of yoga. Now the second sutra, that is the definition of yoga. That is Chitta Vritti Nirodha. Yoga Chitta Vritti Nirodha. That is the sutra. Yoga means restraining thought activities. That is his definition. So, a lot of explanations we can give, but I will give you a little knowledge about it. That's all. What is our thought? All our emotions, all the sensations, everything with us comes as thoughts. That's mostly about the world. Anger, arrogance, lust and obsession, greed and jealous, sometimes happiness, joy, all this comes as thoughts. It will not stay for a long time, it will disappear. But we never watch where these thoughts coming, to whom these thoughts are coming. We never give attention. That's our problem. To turn and look back to ourselves, first of all, what we have to do is to restrain the thought activities or to regulate at least the thought activities. Then we will get a gap to see our own true nature. So Patanjali's definition for yoga in second sutra is Yoga Chitta Vritti Nirodha, restraining thought activities or stopping the fluctuations in the mind. That is yoga. With this knowledge, we will start our first day's simple practice. Okay? Hari Om. So, we will start with a small practice in the first session. We have to move all the joints first. We will start from the head. Keep your right palm on the center of your head. Now move clockwise 5 times. Feel the skin is moving. Normal breathing. Opposite. 5 rounds anti-clockwise. Give pressure on the skin of the head. Relax the cranial area. Now, back of the head. Same way, the skin is moving. 5 rounds clockwise with pressure. 5 rounds anti-clockwise. Relax. Now take a long deep breath. Breathe out. Now take your 2 thumbs and keep it just on the corner of your eyes. Give pressure on that area, little pressure. You can feel a knob on the corner top, inside. Just give a small pressure. Relax. Now keep your index finger above the eyebrows and the thumb under the eyebrows. Just line it. This is the area where stress is storing while you are reading, looking at the computer, phone and all. So you do every day. 20 times you have to do, 10 to 20. Okay, now give pressure. 5 breaths each. On the facial points, we will give little pressure. Little pressure. Now, just under the eyes, the bones, center of it, give little pressure. 5 breaths. Now by the sides, all you have to do 5 breaths. Now I will show you just. After under the nose, just a point, mild, under the lips, 5 breaths. Bring your attention on that area. That's important. Throughout our practice, we will keep this idea. Attention enlivens prana. Wherever you attend, the prana will come to that area. Okay, 100% attention. Back of the ears. See, in this area, pointed pressure. And come down. Now, pull your ears. Move your ears. Take 2 fingers on the joint just in front of the ears. Give pressure. Jaw. Relax now. Just roll your finger slightly just above the eyes. Rotate anti-clockwise. Relax. Take a long deep breath in. Breathe out. Now open your eyes with 2 fingers. Look up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, left, right. All 5 times. Make sure you are breathing and synchronizing the breath. We have a tendency to hold the breath. Even with the eyeball movements, move the breath, rotate. All the corners, 4 corners, top and down. Sides, corners, up and down. Clockwise 5, anti-clockwise 5. Align your breath. Now corner to corner. Corner right up, left down. Right up, left down. Right up, left down. Left up, right down. Left up, right down. Left up, right down. Now release. Blink your eyes. Tightly keep your eye. Tight. And open up. Stand up. And tight. Open up. Now, keep your right thumb. Look on your nail. Now slowly keep it close to your nose. Look on the right thumb, on the nail. Here also, make sure you are breathing normally. Now, keep it away. Zoom in, zoom out. Now close your eyes. All the movements do 5 times every day. Even in between, watching the computer, 1 hour gap, you can do this. Now keep up your both palms together, heat it up, and cup your eyes. Take a deep breath and breathe out. One more full breath and let go. Relax. Now, with neck movements, we start. Breathe in, lift your chin up, breathe out down, breathe right and back, breathe out left and down, breathe in right and back, breathe out left and down, breathe in right and back, breathe out left and down, breathe in right and back, breathe out left and down, breathe in right and back, breathe out left and down, breathe in left and back, breathe out right and down, breathe in left and back, breathe out right and down. Be with your breath. Do 5 times. And after 5 times, you relax. Move your head left, slowly right. Left, right. Left, right. Left, right. Now, twist your head towards right, left. Right, bend it towards left. Right, left. Relax. Take a full breath. Breathe out. And relax. Now to strengthen the neck area, neck muscles. Keep your right palm on the right side of the cheek. Push it. And feel the left neck is stretched and protecting it. The left muscles of the neck area is not allowing the head to turn. Give pressure. 5 breaths. Now to the opposite side. When you are practicing, take 5 deep breaths and watch. Strengthen the opposite muscles. Relax. Now, interlock the fingers. Push it back. But your neck muscles are resisting. Keep breathing. So the sternocleidomastoid muscles are strengthening. It will protect the cervical area. And relax. Just opposite side. Each 5 breaths, you relax. Now the shoulders. Breathe in, squeeze it. Breathe out. In, 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 out. Breathe in, breathe out. Now rotation. Shoulder rotation. Clockwise 5, anti-clockwise 5. Now relax. Now we will move fingers. This all you can do 20 times. Every day, start with movements of joints in the morning. Facing each other. Now, keep your fingers tightly. Now wrist movement. Keep breathing opposite. Now, elbows. Five fingers together and all 20 times. Okay. Now, again, wrist movement. Now, elbow movement once more. And stretch. Shoulder movements. You do clockwise and anti-clockwise. All 10 to 20 times. For your practice, you have to do 10 to 20 times. Okay, now relax. Take a full breath. Breathe out. Stretch your hands by the sides. Rotate from the shoulders. Hands are moving around. Rotation is happening from the shoulders, clockwise and anti-clockwise. Relax. Take a full breath. Breathe out. One more deep breath. Let go. Now, you will do hip rotation. From the hip area, you have to move. At the same time, keep your all the knees. Both knees are on the floor. Breathe in. Breathe out. Bend forward. Right and back. Left and down. Right and back. Left and down. Right and back. Left and down. Breathe in left and back. Right and down. Breathe in left and back. Right and down. Breathe in left and back. Breathe out right and down. Breathe in. This also minimum 5 rounds you can do. Now move your body right and left. You are centered. Both the knees are on the floor. It's not moving. Only the body is moving from the center. Right, left, right, left, right, left. So feel the movement. So our mind is also moving like this, like a pendulum. Future to past, past to future. Oh. Move fast. Stop and rest. Take a deep breath. Breathe out and relax. Let go. One more deep breath. And breathe. Now we will stretch our legs. Stretching the legs and we will start from the toes. Bend your toes front and back. Bending it front and bending back. Now, 4 fingers, 4 toes are going down and the big toe is going backward. Opposite side. Big toe is going down, 4 toes are coming back. Opposite. Opposite. Feel the stretch on the feet and the leg. We feel lot of small muscles and joints are moving in this time. That which we are usually not moving. Now, stretch your feet towards you first. Bend your toes. Tighten your calf muscles. Tighten the kneecap, squeeze it. Tighten the thighs and back. Stretch your spine. Breathe in and breathe out. Stretch out your feet. Bend your toes back towards you. You are stretching out the feet and bending the toes towards you. Breathe. 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 Tighten the calf muscles, knees, thighs, hip. Straighten the spine and breathe in. Breathe out. Relax. Once more. Bend your feet. Stretch your feet towards you. Bend your toes. Tighten the calf muscles, knees, thighs, back. Stretch your body. Breathe and relax. Stretch out the feet. Bend your toes towards you. Tighten the calf muscles, knees, thighs and back. Breathe in and breathe out. Relax. Now, both feet together, rotation. Clockwise, anti-clockwise. Make sure you are breathing. Now, legs apart. Opposite sides, independently, both the feet are moving from the ankle. Now, from the hip joint, the movement is happening. Toes together, apart. Together, both sides. The movement is happening on the bottoms of the joint on the hip. Relax. Now, together, knees up and down. All you have to do 20 times. Now, leg close to your chest, out, in, out. in, out. Breathe out, breathe in. Breathe out, breathe in. Breathe out. Opposite. Breathe out, breathe in. Breathe out, breathe in. Breathe out, breathe in. Breathe out, breathe in. Breathe out and in. Little breathing exercise. Pranayama. Prana means life energy. Yama means controlling or regulating. Pranayama. Patanjali in his Yoga Sutra says, doing asanas are important because you can sit for pranayama and dhyana. So all other practices need a comfortable and steady posture. Sthira Sukham Asanam. Patanjali only gives that definition for asana. Sthira Sukham Asana. So once asana siddhi is there, once you are steady and comfortable in a posture, then you can start your pranayama practice. Now we will do some preliminary exercises for pranayama. Breathing exercise to extend or to expand the chest and increase the lung capacity. Keep your both palms together. Here, most important part is aligning the breath with the movement. Breathe in. And breathe out. In the beginning, you have to align the breath with the movement. Later on, you have to align the movement with your breath. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe out very slowly. Another important factor here in pranayama is you have to breathe out little more time than breathing in. Breathe in maybe 4 counts. Breathe out and extend to 6 counts. Give more attention on aligning the breath. Breathe out. Relax. Now from the sideways, breathe in slowly from the floor till the top. You are joining your palms together. Stretch your palms. Breathe in. Breathe out. Align the movement with the breath and down. Breathe in. Breathe out. Now stretch your hands, stay there. Slowly. Breathe out completely once the hands are on the floor. Relax. 20 times every day morning you do it. It will increase the lung capacity and strengthen the lungs. Now you will flush out the windpipe and respiratory system will get cleansed. Close right nostril and breathe out through left nostril little forcefully. Now the other nostril. This also do it 10 to 20 times. Relax. Forceful exhalation. That's all. Simply. Now through both nostrils. We're cleansing both nostrils and windpipe. "20 times you can continue. Take a deep breath now. Breathe out. One more deep and full breath. Breathe out.